Hello! If you are watching this video, it means you are new to Bluebird Day. Welcome! We are so excited to serve you and your family. In this video, we will cover how to fill out and submit your intake paperwork in CentralReach. First, open your internet browser and navigate to www.members.centralreach.com. After you log onto your account, you will automatically be directed to the dashboard. This is the home page of your account. This is where you can quickly see any upcoming appointments or messages. To access your intake paperwork, navigate to the Files briefcase icon on the left sidebar of your screen. After you click on it, it will take you to a page that links to a lot of different files. Click on the file that says Bluebird Day Private Intake Packet. The document page will open. The next step to fill out and submit your forms is to navigate to the Notes and Forms tab on this page. You can find the Notes and Forms tab in the top left center of the header on this page. Clicking on this Notes and Forms tab will bring you to another page that may look a little daunting, but no worries. This page shows each section of the intake packet so you can easily navigate through it. This is the format CentralReach uses to make notes editable. When you click on Header, you will see nothing. That's okay, that's normal. If you are starting from the beginning, simply click Next in the top right corner of the form and you will be directed to the beginning of the intake paperwork. Read through the list of documents required prior to the start of services. When you reach the end of the list, to move forward in the paperwork and to avoid any technical delays in your paperwork being able to be completed, press the Save button on the bottom left side of the form, displaying the welcome letter. Please do not press the Save and Lock button right next to this, as it does not allow our admin team to add other necessary documents to your file later, after you have submitted your paperwork, and it causes technical difficulties for our administrative team to review your paperwork. Press the Save button. You will press the Save button after filling out and completing each form in the intake paperwork packet. Again, please do not press Save and Lock. Additionally, upon completing and saving each form, you will press Next to navigate to the next form. You can also click on Change section in the top center of the page above the heading welcoming you to Bluebird Day. This will allow you to easily jump between sections if you are returning to your intake packet from a previous time of working on it. After you have completed and signed all of your forms, congratulations! You have completed your intake paperwork. You can preview your completed document by clicking the Preview File button in the top right corner of the screen. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact our administrative team by emailing scheduling@bluebirddayprogram.com. A member of our team would be happy to assist. Thanks and have a great day.